Have you ever felt stuck within yourself? That there's a better version of you waiting to emerge, but old habits and fears keep holding you back? Olga Kazan, in her book, Me But Better, delivers a powerful message. Your personality isn't fixed. You can become a better version of yourself, step by step, day by day. Subscribe and hit the bell to start your journey toward personal growth. In the book, Olga begins her personal challenge. How can she become more open to others, achieve better emotional balance, and gain deeper awareness of her thoughts and feelings? The journey wasn't easy. She faced internal resistance, moments of frustration, and challenging experiences that tested her patience and determination. She relied on science-backed techniques, daily meditation to calm the mind and enhance focus, psychological exercises to replace negative habits with positive ones, and constructive social interactions to expand her perspective. With each passing day, she began to notice tangible results: improved communication, increased self-confidence, and better organization of her thoughts and emotions. Personality isn't fixed, it can be developed. Change requires commitment, practical strategies, and small daily steps. The best version of yourself isn't a distant dream. It can start today. Me But Better isn't just a scientific guide. It's a roadmap for anyone looking to grow and improve. If you found this summary helpful, subscribe now and turn on the notification bell to get every new video about self-development and personal growth.